And then straight from here into the kitchen. What's going on here? So island, which is good. So you've got the breakfast bar, you've got the stone, you've got the slab ends. So very, very modern. I do like that. So very functional. Access all the way around. And something different, we've put a cooktop in the island. So that's quite fashionable. That's pretty cool. So, you know, when you're a chef, you like to engage with your guests. So, you know, haven't got your back to them. I like that feature. And this side sink, I like the use of the windows there. And if you look closely, they're louvers. So you can control ventilation. Very cool. And bringing that natural light in. Over here, pantry. Oh, that's plenty. And then off to the side here, what have we got here? Oh, okay, laundry. Let's have a look. Geez, this is a good size laundry. So good length of bench top, overhead cupboards, plenty of shelving there. And I love the location being next to the kitchen. So this room, utility room, keep it away from the kids' bedroom because it's always noisy, always happening. And there you've got your sliding door out to the side of the yard to your clothesline. Great location, this.